Okay na po ba? Para ka napunta sa Legoland, no? Toys R Us? Walang edad, Candle lang to, Of course, they're going to raid the chocolates of Tita Small. Wala nang natira. Here in the beautiful house of Small Laude, we are doing tablescapes. Okay, tablescapes, ibig sabihin, ayusin namin ang mesa para magandang kainan, pero ang pinakamasarap doon yung kainan, right? So who's going to do our tablescapes today? Tina, Ocampo, and eto na kami, Small and the gang. Ay, ang ganda, oh. Beautiful. We're going to do table setting. Yay! Oh, di ba? Ang gaganda. So, Tina Maristela Ocampo, the guru of interiors and tablescapes, is going to fix this for our girls' lunch today. Ang ingay na. That's Mons, Tina, and Small. Yeah. Okay, yan ang setup. Alright, so kinukunan din ako nitong si Lot-Lot. Okay, this is our setting. Wow. Ito ang napili na mantel. We'll see what happens after. Wow, and who makes an appearance? Who made an appearance today? Wow, who made an appearance? Wow. Oh. Oh. Tingnan mo itong lalaki. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Grabe ang halik sa mami.
Panay ang halik. Ganyan talaga yun.
Sa mami.
Before they leave, of course, they're going to raid the chocolates of Tita Small. Oh, only 3 each, Promise.
3 for you, this.
Wala nang natira. Tita Small will get upset. Oh, let's go na. Come on na. Come on na. Thank you, Tita Small. At ito ang space. There it is. We're going to do a garden tablescape. Oh, dito na lahat. Wow, it's already beautiful. Oh, and nagba-vlog na si Small behind the scenes. At may plancha. It's part of the accessories. It's important that walang creases ang iyong mantel. O, diba steamer? Steamer. Steamer talaga siya. Ay, social. Only in Small Laude's house. This is what's going on now. Ayan. Yeah. On the way na po. Okay na po ba?
The mom of Pepe and Pilar.
Ako po ang yaya ni Pepe.
Pepe and Pilar.
Yaya ng dalawang
Ang ganda ng mga mata nila, no? Oo, grabe.
Very expressive.
Very, very nice.
Okay, we just got from the kawa.
We just got from the
I want to see that kawa.
The cow is there. There.
The kawa is so useful,
The source came from here.
Wow. Wait, saan galing ang plants?
Kawa nga.
Ha?
Hindi ka kawa.
Ang ganda. Let's go and look at the kawa.
Yung buong bahay, yun na puno na yun.
Yung bahay na yun.
Yung bahay na yun.
Matagal ang buhay pag ginanyan mo siya. Ay, nice. Ilalagay mo siya sa ganon.
Ate has so much like
Oh.
and thousands.
Oh. Ang tawag kawa.
No, this is the kawa, di ba?
This is the kawa. Ayun na nga. Anong tawag dito? Water lily?
And ayan pa, meron pa, So, hindi lang
The things you can find in your garden. Wow.
Dami doon ng mga bougainvillea sa taas.
Pero ang ganda ng ano mo.
Ate, Corina, look at the mga bougainvillea.
Ay, ako I love bougainvillea.
Maganda bougainvillea. Alam mo, maglagay ka ng wiwi.
Wiwi?
Yes, kahit isang basong wiwi.
Ng tao?
Na mo, yes.
And then?
And then, put it in the balde. And then, hahalo siya. And then, yan ang pandilig mo sa bougainvillea.
Yeah,
Super flowers.
Oh my God, can you just tell that out?
Yes.
Wow, ang ganda. For what is this? For sugar, bordado. Oh, ano yung ilalagay? Maliit na cake or cookies? Ang ganda.
Nice. Oh, si Tina, parang ka napunta sa Legoland, no? Toys R Us.
Tina's Happy Place.
Tina's Happy Place.
Parang parang for all occasion.
Okay, may hinahanap ako.
Okay, anong
Kasi meron tayong
ang ganda nito.
dip or something. So we want
checkered po.
little
Checkered. You know, Tina, I bought this, what's your steak knife, yung pang steak mo?
lagulay.
Lagulay, ayan. I bought it because you told me. Ayan, lagulay.
Okay, dahil gutom na ako at ang tagal nila, kakain ako ulit ng tsokolate. Walang may alam. No judging, no bashing. It's just for fun. Chocolate, anyone? Okay! So, 1 hour complete. But I know, in our vlog a while ago, I was calling out for you. Oy, we can start on that na. Yay! Made by Mandy. We're so excited. Okay lang ba to? Ako mauuna. Yay! It's crab dip. Ayan. Oh my God. Never be on a diet around this woman.
Yes.
Okay. Small. Tingnan mo ang ginawa ko sa... Oh my God. It'll come off? Mandy, you're really fairy god, Mandy. Okay, what's happening?
Solve the problem.
To take this cardboard out.
Mali yung kulay ng boka.
Okay. I have a solution. Alam mo yan, Mandy. Come on.
Oh my God, that was the gown I was wearing in, in Golden.
Kasi they usually get it from photos on Instagram.
Oh,
That's why, okay?
Okay, what's the drama?
Oh, walang edad ah. Candle lang to ah.
Ganyan ba kalaki talaga yung kismi ko? Pakisabi. Ganyan ba kalaki yung aking chick? Hindi, merong maliit.
To answer your question, no. To answer your question, no, hindi ganyan kalaki ang fez mo.
Kasi, that's my twins. That's the frog that will turn into a twin.
That's the frog that will turn into a prince?
Yes.
So, kiss
That is that Philip. Parang si Philip.
ito palang pinanggalingan ni Philip. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Marisa! Thank you, girls. Oh.
What girls?
Sila it girls, tayo Y girls. Y what?
What girls?
Never was. Tayong eat girls. E-A-T.
Yeah. Okay. I wonder, parang nahuhulaan ko na yung wish.
Baka naman tumalong si Philip dyan. Dito sa cake. Dito na lang. It's cute. Yeah.
Anong secret? Philip, bakit ka nagpapapogi? Bakit? Okay, o yan, bakit? Bakit ka nagpapapogi? Pogi na talaga? Ganun ang sagot?
Pogi na daw siya talaga.
Si Small lang ang kayang mag-blow ng candle na walang laway. Ayan.
Nikki.
Okay, palakpakan. Yay! Happy birthday! Of course, of course. EAT girls. And we are okay, so and we are ending the night with, of course, it has to be Small and Philip. Why not? Okay.
Parang meron na siyang
Say bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.